Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to use Asana free version. Asana, as many of you might know, is a fantastic and versatile tool that helps in managing projects and tasks efficiently. Whether you are trying to keep your personal projects organized or collaborating with a small team, Asana can be incredibly beneficial. Today, we're going to delve into its free version, revealing how you can make the most out of this tool. Let's get started on this journey together. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to use Asana in the first place. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your tasks or struggled to keep your team aligned, Asana could honestly be a game changer for you. It provides a centralized platform to organize tasks, track progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. This can significantly reduce stress and improve productivity. Now, let's get hands-on. To start using Asana, you'll need to visit their website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in asana.com. This will take you straight to their main homepage, where you can immediately sense the user-friendly design. It's crafted to help you quickly get your bearings and start managing your tasks without unnecessary complications. The first step to fully diving into Asana is setting up your free account. This is an uncomplicated process, so don't worry. Simply look for the sign-up option, which is generally easy to spot on the homepage. Follow the instructions provided, enter your email address, and create a secure password. As part of the process, Asana might ask you a few questions to tailor your experience to your specific needs, which can be quite helpful. After completing these steps, your account will be ready to go. With your account set up, it's time to explore the free plan, often referred to as Asana Personal. This plan is ideal for teams with up to 10 users and offers a surprising amount of functionality despite being free. It's perfect for personal projects or collaborating with a small team. You can choose to work solo or share your workspace, making it a flexible option for various needs. Once you log in, take a moment to get familiar with the navigation bar, which you'll typically find on the left side of your screen. This is your gateway to managing projects, tasks, and accessing other essential features. With this organized layout, you can efficiently handle multiple aspects of your work, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. To create a new project, all you need to do is click on the Projects menu or the plus icon, usually located near the top left corner. Fill out the necessary project details, and just like that, you've got a dedicated space for your tasks and goals. It's a straightforward process that sets the foundation for your productivity journey. Adding tasks to your projects is equally simple. By clicking on the plus icon or the Add Task button, you can list out the tasks you need to tackle. Once added, these tasks can be assigned to yourself or other team members involved. It's crucial to set due dates for your tasks as well, ensuring you meet deadlines and keep your work flowing smoothly. Asana even allows you to mark tasks as recurring if they need to be completed regularly, which is a great feature for ongoing responsibilities. The free version of Asana provides multiple views to cater to different preferences. You can switch between List View, Board View, and Calendar View. Each offers a unique way to visualize your workload, helping you manage tasks in whichever way suits you best. These views can be particularly helpful in giving you a clearer picture of your progress and upcoming deadlines. Finally, remember that collaboration is a central aspect of using Asana. You can share projects with others to work together on tasks smoothly, making Asana not just a tool for individual productivity, but also for enhancing team synergy. It's all about creating a streamlined workflow that keeps everyone connected and informed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making the most out of Asana's free version. By implementing these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your tasks and projects effortlessly. Happy organizing! Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to use Asana free version. If you want more videos like how to use Asana free version, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.